interview questions. What is EDR? EDR is Endpoint Detection and Response. It monitors endpoint activities in real time and helps detect threats. Its key features are threat detection, incident response, and behavioral analysis. Example: CloudStrike, Sentinel-1. Difference between antivirus and EDR. Antivirus is signature based. EDR is behavioral based. Antivirus detects known threats. EDR detects unknown threats. Antivirus has limited visibility. EDR has deep visibility. What is playbook in SOC? A playbook is a step-by-step guide to handle specific incidents. Example: phishing playbook. It helps to analyze email, block sender, alert users, update CM rules. What is SOAR? SOAR is security orchestration and automation and response. It automates repetitive SOC tasks. Example: auto block IP, auto generate tickets. What is an IOC? IOC is indicator of compromise. Example: malicious IP, suspicious domain, file hash. What is a file hash? A hash is a unique fingerprint of a file. Types MD5, SHA-1, SHA-256. Used to identify malware, verify file integrity. What is zero-day attack? An attack exploiting vulnerability before it is known or patched. It is very dangerous because it has no fixes available. What is privilege escalation? When an attacker gains higher access rights. Example: normal user becomes admin user. What is lateral movement? Attackers move inside a network after initial access. Its goal is reach critical system and steal data. What is data exfiltration? Unauthorized transfer of data outside the organization. What is the use case in SIAM? A rule or logic to detect suspicious behavior. Example: 5 failed logins in 1 minute. It will generate an alert. What is log correlation? Combining logs from different sources to detect patterns. Example: login plus file hash plus someone transferred data. What is MITM attack? MITM means man in the middle attack. Attacker intercept communication between two parties. What is DNS spoofing? Redirecting users to fake website by alerting DNS records. What is a sandbox? A secure environment to test suspicious files used for malware analysis. Now scenario based questions. Suspicious outbound traffic detected. What will you do? Identify destination IP. Check if IP is malicious. Analyze logs. Isolate system if needed. Block traffic. Multiple login attempts from different countries. Check user activity. Verify with user. Enable multi-factor authentication. Block suspicious IPs. Reset password. You receive a high severity alert. What steps? Validate alert. Check logs. Identify impact. Content threat. And then escalate. USB device detected on secure system. What will you do? Check authorization. Scan device. Review logs. Block if unauthorized. Suspicious process running on endpoint. Identify process. Check hash. Analyze behavior. Kill process if malicious. Investigate system.